Hello everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. Welcome to my channel. So today is a product review. I was very pleased to be asked to try and review an indoor light for plants because it's a perfect timing. I mean, it's end of October, the fall is settling in, winter very soon, and even so, I'm in Texas. I have some plants outside that cannot take too much cold. And in the last few years here, we had some freezes that got pretty cold. So pineapples, citrus trees, I have a southern cherry, all these, I had to take them back inside. And when it's that cold, outside it's not that sunny and the house is pretty dark at the end. So these plants must be much happier with a light. So this is what we're gonna open together today and try out. It is from the brand MistyJungle. So it has a full spectrum, 10 level of brightness, so you can go from 10 to 100%. You can also choose the kind of light you want, whether you want it warm, white, or full light source. You have a timing control, so you can choose between 3, 9, and 12 hours. So it's pretty neat. I'm excited here. Because even beyond the winter, if you want to start some seeds, having that type of light is pretty handy to get it started inside the house if the sun is not shining too much from your windows. So let's open this together and try it out. And to do so, let me lower the camera here so that you look at the box rather than at me. So let's see. So this is available from Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. At the time I looked at it, it was about $50. So here it is. Up. It's a push. I need to push. All right. I'm being pretty careful, given it's a lamp. I do not want to break it, you know, but here is what you get. So you've got the lamp here, you've got the switch here. Yes, let's get it out. All right, that's very easy. Oh yes, I have the okay, that's rather heavy here. It's gonna be the foot of the lamp, as you can see here. Yep, so that is metal and this is actually padded. So it's really soft so that it would not, yeah, you can, it's not gonna mark anything you put it on. So that is pretty neat. Let me put it here. So this is the, oops, light bulb right there. So my guess is yes, you need to screw it, which is why I have a few screws in there together with a manual. So here you go. I have a bit of work to do, I'm guessing here. So that is part of the battery to plug it in. So that's fairly easy. So you've got these two as well. I need to read. We have, what's that? I am not too sure. I think I'm gonna have to read. Oh, that's more padding. Maybe you've got different options to set it up. And that is the instruction manual. So let me read it. Also, it looks pretty straightforward here. Oh, I see where you need the pad. Depending on how you want to set it up, you have an option to have it vertical or horizontal. And in case you want it horizontal, you've got more pads here that you can cut in half in the middle to put along the lamp and put it horizontal. So this is why. Well, pretty cool, guys. I am gonna set it up and plug it in. We'll see how it works. So that little thing should work here. Yep. Okay. And that is it. That is it. it is that easy to set up. Look at this. At the end, I think I chose the easiest option because I didn't need to use any of these. So that's probably from the hanging option. I'm gonna keep the whole set here just in case I want to change it to do some settings in the spring, but this is it. So let me plug it in and see how it does. All right, so it is plugged in. Whew, on. Let me turn off that light here. All right, so it's got a bit of reflection. All right, let me try to change. Oh yeah, warm. Here you go. Pretty cool, right? And here, so you can see all the options. So I can turn it up or down here. It is really nice, and change the light type. Yeah, it's a bit colder, kind of. Yeah, warm, extremely nice. And you turn it down, up. Wow, and you do have the timer here, which I'm not going to use here for my purpose of the demonstration. Otherwise, I'm going to keep this video going for way too long. So with my warm light here. So in terms of specs, this one is rather light, less than 2 pounds. So lightweight. It is 17.5, 18 inches tall. So as you can see here, compared to me, we're right at the table here. So that is the lamp. It is made in China. And it has few reviews yet on Amazon. It's a rather new product. Reviews are positive, but yes, not that much feedback and not that much overtime. So how long will it last? Only time will tell. I received it, it's brand new, it's working fine, and I intend to use it this winter if it gets too cold. Hopefully we won't have any more hard freeze here in Texas, but if we do, and we keep electricity, I will have that lamp here for my plants, and even to start some seeds in the spring. So if you're in need of that kind of lamp, check out the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews and more how-to things about the homestead. Thank you all for watching.